Cat Probiotics by MaryRuth's, plant-based liquid probiotic, non-GMO, vegan, no corn, no yeast, 30 to 160 day supply, 4 fluidos. Product details. Our probiotics are raw, plant-based strains sourced directly from Mother Nature, extracted with water from a proprietary blend of 3 organic grasses. Cat Probiotics, first ever made USDA certified organic liquid probiotics for cats, felines. 30 to 90 day supply, 4 ounces glass bottle. 100% organic, non-GMO, vegan, raw, paleo, gluten-free, plant-based, corn-free, soy-free, nut-free, no yeast, no sugar, and no nightshades. Proprietary strains for cats. Isolated strains known to be useful uniquely to our feline friends. Our cat probiotics include a proprietary blend plant-derived and non-GMO Lactobacillus acidophilus, Lactobacillus Plantarum, Bifidobacterium Longum, and Streptococcus Thermophilus. Benefits. 1. Increased natural resistance to infectious disease in the gastrointestinal tract and fungal overgrowth. 2. Reduction of some allergic reactions. 3. Antibiotic residuals. 4. Optimized digestive processes, allowing increased nutritional benefit from food. 5. Assistance with bowel movement and diarrhea. 6. Immune system boost. 7. Improved resistance to food poisoning. 8. Production of needed nutrients. 9. Improved lactose intolerance conditions. 10. Cholesterol levels.